What's going on?
Well, we're here to do Behind the Rocks, and we looked in the EJS book, and it shows that the tiptoe route is closed as exclusive use for the club. So we came down to use it, and we've got a gate guard sitting here blocking us out. He says the whole trail's closed for it. So now we got to try and find plan B, and I don't know, maybe strike ravine, maybe BFE. I don't know, we'll figure it out here now.
A few minutes later.
Our awesome guard just gave him some awesome news. He said, hey, good news for you. We can get in right now. So, time for Behind the Rocks.
Let's go!
Let's go, woo!
Hey, I like your Jeep.
Thanks.
Tell me about it.
This one was built back in 2004 for four-wheeler TV.
Yeah.
The owner was Tony Becker. He was the host of the four-wheeler TV.
Awesome.
And so this is Tony's rig. I bought it about 8 years ago from him. So we've been wheeling it ever since. It has a short wheelbase, so a lot of places they go, I can't go. But it's fun.
How big are these tires?
41 and a half.
Nice.
So, you ready?
Thing looks twice as long as the last one.
Well, that was the over-optimistic one.
All right, Adam, tell us what happened.
So, you know, went a little too ham, and the factory lower control arm mount just folded up like a piece of paper, really.
So what's our trail fix for it?
I think we're just gonna lengthen the lower control arms and get the tire off the slider.
Perfect. Adjustable control arms, gotta love them.
Actually, we decided to just let the tires rub on the rock sliders. It wasn't hurting the tires, and we didn't want to hold up the whole group. The crazy part is the bent mounts held up for the rest of the day.
Just like that, just like you're pointed.
That's what Lisa does.
Makes us all look terrible at what we do.
It's just like driving down, going.
Fair in the hard line?
As well.
Thank you.
Who's he on the phone to?
He's trying to do his taxes.
Thanks a lot, bud.
Yeah, it's nice driving the cameraman Jeep.
Yeah. Say that again?
The drop isn't that bad. It's only about 6 feet.
Oh God.
So about a wheelbase.
Yeah.
Ready, John? Slow. Sister wheel. There you go.
Driver if you can. Driver if you can. Okay, real smooth here. Oh, not too much. Okay.
Coming down
Driver
now.
if you can. There you go. There she comes.
One tire's floating.
Okay.
Woohoo! 50% last death. Nailed it.
That back
First
tire
try.
was crawling on an invisible rock. It was weird.
Sorry.
David, catch that fall.
No.
I thought we were going over for sure.
That was a little pucker. Now real slow. You're right there. You're in a perfect spot. There you go. Just a little bit passenger now. There you go. You got it. Just slow and easy. You got it. Bring it.
Check gauges.
Nice.
Thanks.
Just like that. A little bit. There you go. Just like that. There you go. Right, yes, yes. Oh, there you go. You got it. You got it. You got it.
After high dive, we stopped at Picture Frame Arch to have lunch.
Okay, I'm with John here, and we're going to talk to him about his Jeep. He's got a nice looking JL. John, what can you tell me about it?
Well, guys, we're running the new Rock Link from Iron Rock with it at the moment. That is just off the charts awesome. I mean, it's night and day. We ran a 4-inch lift before with short arms. You know, I don't know why we waited so long.
What size tires are you running on it now?
We're running 37s on it now on beadlocks.
What year is it?
2020 with the 2-liter e-torque in it. So kind of a little bit of a unique one.
How's that e-torque work though?
That e-torque takes all the turbo leg right out of it. You know, so.
Which I'm running the diesel and I've got that turbo leg, so I can see why that would be a real nice benefit.
So that crawling and stuff like that takes that leg out of that, gets you spooled up.
So John, I see there's a logo on the back of your Jeep. What's that all about?
Well, my family, we started a company called OTB, which is out of the box design. Our first project I gave to the engineer was to make my factory hood scoops functional and drain the water out still in the factory location. We were having some problems with getting too hot under the hood and the Jeep putting herself in limp mode.
Well, can we take a peek at them?
You bet. As you see on the outside, they're completely factory ones. So you just cut the bottom out of your factory one and then cut out the hood liner and screw our kit onto there. You can see you get all the air out. It's got a mesh in there that stops the water from coming in, and then it does drain out in the factory location, which is right here and stuff. So like I say, very little modifications, you know, a couple hours you got them in. You get rid of all that under hood teeth.
Did you see a decrease in your hood temp right away?
We saw a decrease immediately. And being the 2-liter, it has what I call the super fan. It comes on so much less now, and when it does come on, it's really short-lived. Nice. And stuff. So that's our, you know, by your seat of your pants, you notice the difference, right?
And I know that when I walked up to it earlier, I could feel the heat coming out of that.
Correct, thing. You can. And if you're driving in a good thunderstorm or heavy rain, it actually will make some foam on there for you. So you know, even on the highway speed, it's drawing air out and getting it out of there.
Well, and you can get these right at ironrockoffroad.com. We've got those in stock, ready to go. They're just a great product. We try and push those as often as we can because they really do work. So, well, thanks, John. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, guys.
We're going to have a lot of fun finishing out behind the rocks.
Yeah,
we're having a ton of fun so far.
It's been a pretty epic day.
Got a lot more to go, so we're going to have some fun. That's the bypass.
Well done.
Yep, that looks real good.
I'll get the spare tire explosion.
This will be an easy drop. You don't need to turn right away, but just slowly just bring it to the right. Plenty of room. Oh, that handle loose. There you go.
You're leaking your washer fluid.
Yeah, just go straight.
finished White Knuckle, then made a quick stop at the sand dunes to test out our Trail Tamer 2.0 bump stops.
Oh, that was good. Oh, that was a good one.
It was all good until we noticed a little problem with my Jeep.
Pretty sure the radiator's cracked, so yeah, be doing a radiator swap in the campground.
Not to worry though, we fixed it in time for the next trail. Stay tuned for more EJS videos coming soon.